add these chic and minimalistic boots to your closet from Chinese Laundry. These are the Callahan boots, and they can be your new favorites since they offer this really smooth faux leather upper. They also have a soft textile lining inside, and they can be easily put on and off since they have a convenient zipper closure on the inside. I love this chunky midsole. It has a slight platform at the front with a nice block heel. That heel is going to boost you up about 3.5 inches. I also love that they have a square toe silhouette with an ankle height construction, so these are perfect for the chilly weather. They also have slight cushioning at the midsole that's going to give you a lot of comfort. They have a very durable synthetic outsole that's going to be super grippy and provide you with a lot of stability. I think these will look super cute with a little skirt and sweater this chilly season for a chic vibe.